pregnant.
Toss it off.
I'm watching you, ref.
That's pretty weird.
I'm pregnant, Dad.
Normally it's my job to watch you guys.
You don't care about
Who's watching the watchers, huh?
You don't care about me being pregnant.
Terrible reference. Get out of here on that side.
The story about the guy that asked the bodybuilder if he even lift. The bodybuilder got so mad he pulled a gun and shot his knee.
What the?
Yeah, that was a current event I did.
Oh, I miss current events. I never did them, actually.
You get extra credit for them. All you have to do is just be
Current event, I turned in. I did not do a current event, and that is the current event. Oh god, I got a fucking D sweat. Bang! 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 I don't know where to go. I'm from Sweden. Easy, bro. All right, we got one down. I'll take the pistol. There we go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Dude, how many headshots did you have to do to get this? Hey, right there. Right there. They're coming around. They're coming around. Bang! Bang!
Heads up. Heads up there.
That hurt! Bang! Get out of here. Bang!
Oh.
Bang! 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 Oh, you got me.
Well, that was fun.
Bang! Don't flash. They'll see where you are, bro.